Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Math with Sir Kiko. Today's lesson we're going to discuss the addition of fraction. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Now, we're going to discuss the addition of fraction involving similar fraction. Today we will focus on the similar fraction. How do we identify if the fraction are similar? So, as we observe for example number 1, we have the denominator are the same. So we can say that the fraction are similar if the denominator are the same. Again, if the denominator are the same, therefore the two fraction are similar fraction. Now, let's solve this example number 1. How do we add the similar fraction? First, you're going to add the numerator. You just add the numerator. Add the numerator. So how do we add? We have to add 2, 3 plus 2. We have to add 3 plus 2. And then copy the denominator 4. 3 plus 2, the answer is 5. And then copy the denominator 4. So therefore, the answer is 5 over 4. Okay, that's it. As simple as that. Okay, another one. We have 5, 9 plus 2, 9. As you can see, the denominator are the same. Therefore, you need to perform the operation by adding the numerator 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2, and then copy the denominator 9. The simple rule is you need to add the numerator and copy the denominator. So, 5 plus 2, the answer is 7 over 9. So, as simple as that. Okay, let's try another example. Number 3. 2, 7 plus 3, 7. As you can see, the denominator are the same. Therefore, they are similar fractions. So, we have 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Then copy the denominator 7. Because they are the same. 2 plus 3. The answer is 5. Then copy the denominator 7. Therefore, the final answer is 5 over 7. Okay? Next, number 4. So, we have 5, 12 plus 4, 12. So, add the numerator. 5 plus 4. Then, copy the denominator. 12. Then, perform the operation. 5 plus 4. The answer is 9 over 12. But, as you can see, 9 over 12 can be simplified. So, what should be? The number can be divided by 9 and 12. So, can be divided by 3. So, 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. 12 divided by 3, the answer is 4. So, therefore, the final answer is 3. Don't forget to simplify your answer. Okay? That's it. So, try to practice your skills. Again, the simple rule is you need to check if the denominator are the same. So, if the denominator are the same, add the numerator and copy the denominator. Okay? So, I hope you already know how to add a given fraction with a similar fraction. Okay? So, practice your skills. So, try to answer number 1 and number 2. Comment down your answer in the comment section below. That's it for today. Thank you and God bless everyone.